Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Before we start our lesson today, let's begin by reciting Basmalah together. Please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
And before I check the attendance, please look around you guys. If you see any brush on the floor, please pick it up. Okay. Now I will check the attendance. Is anyone who is absent today?
Anybody? I think no.
No, alhamdulillah. It means everyone is present today. Before we start our lesson today, I have a small reminder for you guys. And for Ahmad, please help me to read the statement.
Okay, the total age of Andi and Budi is 25. The difference between their age is 3 years. Budi is older than Andi. How old are Andi and Budi?
Okay, thank you. And anyone can guess how old is Andi and Budi? Yes, please.
Andi is 11 years old and Budi is 14 years
Yeah, that is correct. And how did you get that?
old. Because if the difference is 3 years, it means that person is 3 years older than the older. I imagine the transport as RZ because I'm 11 years old, the total is 22 years. Look at the 12 years. I add 3 years to the other. So the S are 11 years and 14 years.
Yes, thank you. That is correct, everyone. So today we will learn about this singular type of this kind of question, but we will solve it using a different method. Include the topic of system of linear equation into variables. Previously, you guys have learned about system of linear equation in one variable. Is there anyone know what is the difference between them? Yes, please.
System of linear equation in one variable has one variable, and system of linear equation in two variables has two variables.
Yeah, that is correct. Thank you. From our table before, how many variables do you guys see?
2.
Yes, and what are they?
And it's eight.
And yeah, that is correct. Today, we're going to learn about system of linear equation in two variables. It is a system of equation that involves two variables with degree 1. The general form is ax plus by equals c. To find the value of each variable, there are 4 methods: elimination, substitution, combined method, and derivative method. But today, we are going to focus to learn about elimination method. Elimination method has several steps. The first step is determining variables. The second is changing the problem into general equation. The third is making the coefficient the same. Fourth is eliminating the same variable. Fifth, substituting the value of the variable. And last is writing the conclusion. And I will explain each step by using a direct example. And I get a statement here. For Ayu, please help me to read the statement.
Okay, 2 pencils and 3 eraser cost 9,000 rupiah. 4 pencils and 4 eraser cost 16,000 rupiah. Find the price of 1 pencil and 1 eraser.
Okay, thank you. And you can solve it using by elimination method. First step is determining the variables. How many variables do you guys see here?
2.
Yeah, and what are they?
That's our last pencil and one eraser.
Yes, because the first step is determining the variables. You can use any variable here, like A, B, C, or even C. But here I will use P as a price of
1 pencil. 1 pencil.
and E for
Price
Price of 1
not just multiply the variable of p, but we also multiply all the terms, include variable e and constanta. So we get here 2p times 2 is
So E plus 6E equals 18,000. 18.
17. And for second equation is 40 times 1. It's the same.
Yeah, the second.
And for the next step is eliminating the same variable. So because the variable of the percent of b has both are in same positive, so we subtract the first equation from second equation. So we got 40 minus 40 is
0.
and 6e minus 40 is 2e, and 80,000 minus 60,000 is
2,000.
So to find the value of e, we move the 2 to the right side. So we get e 2,000 equals 1,000 over 2. So we get the value of e is 1,000. Next step is substituting the value of the variable. We can use substitute the not value e to the one of the equation. But I will use the first equation, which is 2b plus 2e equals 9,000. So we substitute the value to the e, and we get 1,000. So 2b plus
3,000
equals.
9,000.
So we move the constanta to the right side. So 9,000 minus 1,000. So we get the 2b is 6,000. So the value of b is 6,000 over 2, and b is
3,000.
3,000. And the last step is writing the conclusion. So from this and this, we get the conclusion is price of the pencil is 3,000 rupiah and price of the reaction is 1,000 rupiah. Easy, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I have another statement for you guys to work in pairs with your seatmate in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Thumbs up. Someone can come to the front and write the result on the board. Yes, please. Yes, thank you. Now let's see. Okay, the answer is correct and complete according to the step here. With the other group gets the same answer. Yes.
I think we have an answer.
Yes. Okay, so great job everyone. Applause for you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Okay, is there any question?
No.
So I will ask you, what have we learned today? The system of reaction.
After we have a question of two together.
Okay, and what methods we can use in system reaction of two variables?
Elimination.
Yes. Yes, correct, everyone, correct. And about elimination method. So what is the first step?
Determining the variables.
Yes.
problem using general equation.
Yes. Step.
The coefficient is
Yes. And fourth step.
Eliminating the variable.
table.
Fifth step.
Substitute the value of variable.
And last step is.
Writing the conclusion.
Yes, everyone, great job. So I have some equations that I learned from you guys as a homework, and we can discuss it tomorrow in the next week. And I think that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your